What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we have this beautiful Formula 1 Red Bull car that we have right in front of us here. Now we must understand that this is a 2025 mock-up. It is not really the actual unit. As we know, one look at it, you can tell there are tons of carbon fiber physical stuff that are missing from this car. I mean, the way it looks, right? So in the meantime, just admire how beautiful this car looks from the exterior before we try to take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks with the details that they have already set up, guys. Check this out, man, dude. Okay, let's start off the front wing. The car size is exactly the same, guys, okay, because it's a replica, right? So, but you're looking at the carbon fiber finishing at the front is not really there. So as you can see, the front wing, how the way it's designed is super huge, man, dude. This is me standing right here, and check out how huge this car actually looks and feels. Absolutely huge. Now the airflow flows all the way all over the car, but what's important is the main item that holds the car fully down is of course this front wing and this flat surface at the top that goes right on top of the unit. So it's absolutely beautiful. And if you check out the side right here, check out all these flow of the air going through, exiting, right? So you also get your amazing side scoops right here happening to block the air from flowing out to create tons of turbulent air. So it blocks it in a way that directs it through the wheel, goes all the way out, and guess what's this? This also channels the air through underneath the car and also the side of the car, and also you get some air that flows through the intakes over there. So airflow is super important, as we all know. Unfortunately, I don't have the tire details of this car at the moment, but we all know these are medium tires. If you watch Formula 1, then you should know if yellow linings are medium tires, the greens are the whites are basically hard tires, and the reds are actually the soft tires. So beautiful design, guys. Check out the front. You have a lot of these suspension happenings here and there, so it's absolutely aggressive and very nice indeed. The actual ones you're able to find out are carbon fiber finishings all over the product. Beautiful touch indeed. Check out the side mirrors, man, dude. Absolutely unique and gorgeous as well, dude. Fantastic. Now the arrow that is on the car also is designed in a way to channel air through the body towards the rear. But check out the slopes, man, from the side. If you guys are able to see how amazing this thing actually looks, you got to be here to see it in person. You're going to be here until the 31st of August. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. So you get some airflow through the center top scoop also as well, right there. Stunning, man. Absolutely stunning. So this is the 2025 current model that they actually have right here for you guys to take a look at. Now check out the rear. The rear of this, the wing is absolutely stunning. Beautiful. So you get your lights right here, the usual lights that we see whenever there's any braking that happens. There's always this flickering happening. Your rear diffuser. Check out the Venturi tunnel, man. Oh my goodness. You get your regular rear diffusers for normal cars, but check out this masterpiece, man. This work of art is absolutely stunning, man. You got tons of aero here and there, right, that forces air through the body and exits out the wheel. So it's not just exiting in any way, but it's exiting in a way that it's bringing air out, directing it in a certain angle, not just having it straight. If you notice, can you see the inner part right there? Beautiful, man, dude. Beautiful. It's super huge, super wide, and you got your amazing exhaust pipes right here, right? So you got one, and I believe the sound of this is absolutely huge. But of course, this is a replica. It's not the actual unit. For those of you who have attended a Formula 1 race, which I have not, I have never attended an F1 race just yet, but yeah. Check out the rear wing design. Of course, this can't move at all, but it gives you a finishing of how, if something were to pull, the flap actually opens up. So that's absolutely unique and very, very nice indeed, man. Super, super gorgeous. A gorgeous design indeed. Now, from here, you're able to see that string attached, but nothing is actually going to move because the wing itself has a solid build to each other, so it's not going to move anywhere. But guys, check this car out, man, dude. Beautiful. All the finishing that's on the car right now, it makes you feel like as if this car is actually the actual unit, but unfortunately it is not. Now I'm not sure if you can see the steering, but you're able to see some sort of things right there. Absolutely unique, man, dude. Very, very unique indeed. The flow of the air from the under part right here, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous indeed, man, dude. Beautiful, guys. Check out the rear. with all the airflow that's happening at the side. Amazing finished product, man, dude. Amazing. Whew. You have got to be here to see this until the 31st of August. A few days more left before they take this amazing beast back. Holy gorgeous. Love to have one of these actually at home. Hung up on the wall. That would be so damn cool, man, dude. Suspensions are absolutely amazing. So the actual ones have tons of carbon fiber finish, as we all know. Amazing air intakes underneath, at the side, on the top. Gorgeous indeed, guys. Gorgeous indeed. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, guys, if you'd like to find out more, thanks to Tag. These people are fantastic for actually arranging something like this, but just take a look at it again. In case for those of you who want to read, you can pause the video to check this out. Yep. Gorgeous indeed, guys. So thanks to these people here at TRX, where you'll be able to locate this stunning piece of art. Now let's take a slight walk around through the back to get you guys a wider look of how amazing this car actually appears to be. Check out the rear, check out the top. Gorgeous indeed, man. Side profile is absolutely stunning. Beautiful masterpiece, man. Let's admire the rear again, guys. The rear, gorgeous. Let's move to the side. And what you'll notice is how wide and long this car actually is. Wow. Hopefully someday I get the opportunity to see this car, the actual Formula 1 race, the actual Formula 1 car in person. But in the meantime, this is how gorgeous this beast actually looks. Beautiful. So, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.